Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with this super colorful like cut crease halo eye makeup tutorial. Recently I got a request from Bhavika Tandal. She asked me to create a look using purple, parrot green and gold eyeshadow, and this is what I came up with. As you guys know, I love colorful eyeshadows, and when I got that request I got so excited because the color combination is a little unusual and it was so much fun to create. This can be a look for all your colorful outfits, and you can definitely wear this look as a bride as well if your outfit has all those colors. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm using this Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pencil in the shade black brown, and I'm drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I recently started using this eyebrow pencil and I absolutely love it. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer and I am applying it as my eyeshadow base. You can use any eyeshadow primer or concealer that you have in your collection. And now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild and I love it. You get to try this particular sponge. It is absolutely stunning. Now I am taking my Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Universal Finishing Powder and I'm just stretching the concealer so that it does not crease. I got these eyeshadow shields from Amazon and these are again amazing. I usually cut them into two pieces. For one piece is for each eye. And here I'm just applying the eyeshadow shield. I will mention the purchase link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. Now I am taking this matte purple shade from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and with this Morphe JS15 brush I am first just stamping the color and then I am blending it out using a back and forth motion, and I am slowly building it up because with this kind of shades they tend to become patchy pretty easily, so you don't want that. And this is an excellent method that I recently discovered. Whenever you are working with this kind of darker shades, just stamp it first like that and then build it up and then blend it out using back and forth motion. I'm just intensifying the color until or unless I'm happy with the pigmentation. Now I am taking this bright parrot green shade from my Morphe 25L palette and I am diffusing the border of the previous shade, and I'm using a very light hand because I do not want to lose the purple shade and I do not want the parrot green shade to look patchy. So I am using a very light hand and very little amount of product, and I am slowly building it up. And the brush is the same brush. It is the Morphe JS15 brush. With this lip brush from Pune store and with the same concealer, I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease. And I have hooded eyes. You can see my natural crease right across my eyelid. Since I have hooded eyes, I am just creating a false crease for me. That means I am placing the concealer a little bit higher than usual. If you do not have hooded eyes, then you can place the concealer directly onto your crease. Now I am taking my Garnier Micellar water and with a Q-tip I'm just removing everything below that line that I just created, because these shadows are really pigmented and if I do not remove it then the lid shade will look kind of patchy and that purple will show through, and I do not want that. So I'm just removing the concealer with a Q-tip. Now I'm just reapplying the concealer, and I'm being very careful with this step because if I mess up, then there is no going back and I have to remove everything and I have to start all over again. So I'm just being very cautious here. I am blending out the concealer again with, and I'm just setting the concealer with a little bit of powder, because if I do not set the concealer then it always creases on me. So I like to set the concealer with a little bit of powder. Taking that matte purple shade, I'm applying it on my inner corner as well as on my outer corner to create that halo effect, and I am following the same rule here. That means first I'm just tapping the color and then I'm blending it out using a back and forth motion, because again this kind of purple dark blue shades, they tend to become patchy pretty easily. I am applying the same purple shade on the border of the cut crease just to make it look even more prominent and crisp. Taking that parrot green shade, I am applying it one more time because it kind of faded a little bit and I wanted that pop-up color, so I just decided to apply it again. And now I'm applying it right next to the purple shade that I just applied, and again I'm just stamping it because I do not want any kind of patchiness. Now I am taking my NYX glitter primer and I'm just applying it on the middle part of my eyelid. That's the reason why I set my concealer, because I always use the glitter primer so that my lid shades just stick nicely. And now I am taking this kind of yellow green topper shade from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm applying it right on the center of my eyelid. And the brush that I'm using, it is from Morphe and it is a flat synthetic shader brush. Since it is a topper shade, I had to build it up quite some time, like 3 to 4 times maybe, to have that intensity. I wanted a little more oomph, a little more jazz, so I decided to go with this liquid glitter from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 24K Gold. And it just amped up the look immediately. And I'm applying the same liquid glitter on the border of my cut crease with this eyeliner brush from Morphe. These little details, these extra steps, according to me, they just make a huge difference. Now I'm creating a wing with my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner, and for that I'm using another eyeliner brush. This is again from Morphe. I think this is the same brush. I will mention the number or the style in the description box down below. Just like that. And now I am tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Easy eyeliner pencil in the shade Jet Black, and then I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using that matte purple shade. And the brush that I'm using is from Puna store, and this is an angled eyeshadow brush. Taking that parrot green shade, I am just diffusing the border of the purple eyeshadow just to tie the look together. Now I am highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I'm elongating the inner corners of my eyes so that my eyes look bigger and wider. And now I'm just curling my natural lashes with my eyelash curler, and then I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Volume Stylist mascara. For my lashes, today I'm using this Pinkzio lashes. These are luxury lashes, and this is in the style Lady on Fire. And these lashes are so good. I got them in pear, but this is my honest opinion. It is really easy to apply. You can totally see it. You just stick it onto your eyelids and it just stays there all day long. Really easy to apply. The band is not too thick. I highly recommend you getting these lashes. I will mention the purchase link in the description bar down below, so make sure to check them out. And here is the final look. I truly loved how the entire look came together. I absolutely loved all those colors, the purple, the green. Everything is so festive and colorful looks are my favorite. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any video requests, then feel free to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to make it for you. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.